I'm James Benefield, owner of Gulf Coast Combustion. We're in Houston for a post-weld heat treatment today on an 80-foot long vessel, 10 foot in diameter, weighing 90,000 pounds with a 3/4 inch wall. We're using two 6 million BTU burners on this job. The burner count scales to the weight and the wall thickness. This vessel doesn't need as much power as the heavier one, but 80 feet is still a lot of vessel to heat evenly. The way we manage that, burners don't just fire straight in. They go through a directional tube inserted at a specific angle so the heat moves throughout the interior of the vessel and not just at the entry point. Combined with thermocouples running the length of the shell, we keep temperature consistent from end to end throughout the entire cycle. We're holding this one at 1,150 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour and 5 minutes. The chart recorder documents every minute of it. Heat up, soak, cool down. That record goes with the vessel before we leave the yard. No furnace, no transport risk. We come to the vessel right here in your yard. If you can build it, we can heat treat it on site. Call me directly at 832-797-3428 or visit us at gulfcoastcombustion.com for more information.